Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or icon for mode. So let's start with a shortcut, because if you are not the person who likes to customize or personalize some features, then I think the shortcut will be enough for you. So in order to fastly turn on the icon for mode, we have to unroll the top bar and find the REDMI mode, because the REDMI mode is basically the name of the icon for mode. So just tap on this eye icon and the screen will change a little bit. It is not really that visible, I would say. Maybe because of the previously set I don't know, options. Maybe, I don't know. So basically this is the shortcut, and here you can turn it on. But if you've got this situation so that you cannot really see the difference, then I highly recommend to enter the settings, so we will be able to fix it. So as I said, the settings, here we have to find the display and tap on the REDMI mode. As you can see, the REDMI mode is right now on, and I really cannot see the difference. Here we've got two different modes. We've got the classic and the paper one. Let's begin with a classic. As you can see, here we've got the preview on which we can check how the device will affect the colors. So we can set the switcher, which will allow us to change the color temperature on the left, which does not anything actually. And by going to the right, we should make it much warmer. It's not really that much warmer, but right now we can see actually difference. So here we've got the kind of yellowish tones, I would say, and it is because that this color simply reduces the eye pain and the blue light. So yeah, so this is how to customize the classic one. And let me show you the paper. The only difference here is basically that here you can apply a paper-like texture to the background. It's basically up to you if you really like it or not. Oh, I thought that we cannot customize it. Alright, again we've got the switcher with the color temperature, so let's set it to the warmest. And here we've got the texture also. I'm not sure if you can see it. By going to the left we can kind of blur the texture, and by going to the right we can make it much sharper. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I can barely see it here in real life. Here we've got also the colors. So currently we've got the full colors, but we can also change the intensity. So we can set light colors, and as you can see there, I would say dual and washed out. And here we've got black and white, so of course monochromatic option. It's up to you. I will stick with the full colors. About the customization, you can also schedule this feature. So you can set a custom period, so you can pick the turn on and off time according to your own preferences, or you can simply set good night's read and your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. It is, I believe, location based, so again, up to you. I will stick with this how's it called, manual option, and basically this is the whole customization of it. Let me turn it off, please. So that's all. This is how to enable the REDMI mode or the icon for mode in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.